Driving the GLE on this narrow gravel road here in northern parts of central Sweden. This surface is to simulate how this car behaves on snow. You have small picks of stone rolling around underneath the tires here. Now we're coming up here to this blue sign, and that is always a good sign because that means that you are not completely lost. Bråten, Kärvingeborn and Timmansberg in the rear. Now we are going to go right. And I can almost hear another car, I think. Or was that me? Just gonna stand still for a while. It sounded like another car. No, that was probably me. So we're heading up this other gravel road. And here navigation is key to not get lost. These automatic wind wipers are not to my liking. Either they are too sensitive and go bananas, meaning they swipe very fast when there's no rain, or they don't swipe at all. I prefer normal windscreen wipers. It's a bit soft. The surface is a bit soft, and I have, of course, 4MATIC 4-wheel drive and stability and all that active when driving here in 56 kilometers per hour. It's the maximum speed limit on roads like this in Sweden is 70 kilometers per hour. You can rarely come up to those speeds on a twisty gravel road like this, and you want to take it easy because there are some cottages down there by the lake. You can see the garbage cans outside, and that is always a sign that there are people living there or being there, not only during the summer but also during the winter. Perhaps, I don't know if they are there during the winter, but they could be out driving now, and I don't want to smash into someone else on this small tiny road. I'm actually driving to a place that I have read so much about on the internet. I live only a few kilometers away myself, but I have this 18-year-old Volkswagen Caravelle VR6 family van. And if you are a family van guy or into van life and have an Instagram profile to match, you can follow me. Life of Julius. I have a private account and I don't allow people, van life people, to follow me. I don't want my pictures shared automatically all over these the Instagram API driven websites, because some of the pics are just meant to be seen by van lifers and not by everyone else, and people steal your images and all that. Oh, what a lovely stretch. What a lovely stretch. Uphill. 65, 66. I will not. There are probably no police here, but it's a matter of safety. Not security, safety. Sorry. I must say that the suspension is raised on this car slightly, about 5 centimeters. And that this car is fitted with not AMG but Mercedes-Benz 21-inch tires and wheels with tires. And the tires are Pirelli P0 tires, P0 SUV tires. There are 275/45 in the front, and in the rear there are 315/40/21. Not the most ideal tires when driving like this, perhaps. But this is a new car, and I really trust the suspension will be able to handle it all. I'm trying to avoid the larger stones. We're coming up to a intersection here, and we're going to drive past it, but we're still going to slow down because you never know. Maybe there's another GLE car review guy coming from the opposite direction. This is quite fun, actually. This is not city driving or anything else, like urban environments and all that. I hope this car was built with these kind of roads in mind, because when you spend this kind of money on a car this size, this such a capable car, why not use it? You buy the car so you can show off at the mall or at your friend's dinner party, or do you spend this kind of money to actually use your car? Yes, I hope you do the latter thing. And yes, you probably drive on these kind of roads. If you're living in the US, perhaps not, unless you live in Montana or Nebraska or places like that. Perhaps also up in Washington State, where you have lots of deep forests. And this area, I must say, is very popular among Dutch and German tourists. There are some areas up here, small villages, where the owners are mainly Dutch, because they don't have this kind of natural beauty where they live. Now we're going straight ahead, because later we will do a left. And now we'll take it a bit more easy, because now the gravel is more rough, and there's also a lake coming down up ahead. Oh, oh my god, what a beautiful setting. You don't want to smash down into the water there. Oh, you're driving so close to the water.